Hello everyone, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel Sai Tech Guru. So finally friends, is a video for all of the Call of Duty lovers, so which I'm getting plenty of messages right now. So before sleeping I thought of making this video for you all. So thank you friends for all your response, and definitely I'll do this video, and make sure to like this video. Target for this likes is about 200 likes, and I'll try to use the game frame interpolation as well during this time of testing. So try to watch till end of the video, because I'll try to do in-depth testing on this Call of Duty gameplay, starting from the high graphics to low graphics, and I'll try to see whether the phone will be supported with the 120 fps or not. And you can see the third party fps meter also installed clearly, as you can see friends. So make sure to hit that like button. So only for you all, I just start off uploading the video before I go to sleep friends, so make sure to hit that like and subscribe. Let me quickly show you the exact model what I'm trying to use. I'm trying to use the iQOO 7 8GB and 128GB variant. Let me try to show you the display settings, exactly what kind of refresh rate, and 120 refresh rate turned on successfully, as you can see friends clearly. And in case if you're watching for the first time, so make sure to hit that subscribe, and make sure to check the links in description. For the playlist of this phone, you can find the link in the description below friends. So try to click that link. You'll get this kind of page where there will be plenty of smartphones which I reviewed in my channel. So here there is iQOO 7, and you can find 17 videos, and right now the count is increasing every day, and these are the few videos which are already uploaded. So in this way you can keep track of this iQOO 7 update. So definitely make sure to hit that subscribe, and do support me friends, because it takes a lot of time and effort in making this many videos as possible. So usually I'll be sleeping just only 3 to 4 hours every day because of making this many videos for a lot of users. As you can see friends, the real-time FPS data has been enabled successfully, and let me try to first show you the game frame interpolation, whether the game is supported or not. And we do get the 4D vibrations, and game display enhancement, and game frame interpolation. So 3 options are present at this point in this Call of Duty. That's another good thing to know. So let me try to select the game frame interpolation. I did turn on the 120 fps option. As you can clearly see friends, 120 fps option is right now turned on. And let me try to show you the settings what I'm trying to achieve right now. So first let me try with the medium and maximum frame rates. So medium quality and the maximum frame rates I'm trying to use to test whether the phone will be able to get the 120 fps support or not. So let me try to start the multiplayer. So don't worry, I'll try to even play the battle royale game. So because a lot of users, they did ask me to play multiplayer, and some people battle royale. So that's why I thought of making these two things in one video friends. So don't worry at all. So definitely I'll be doing my best to post as many as videos on this particular phone as possible. So make sure to check the links in description friends for more videos. And definitely the vibration feedback I'm getting is really good, and it's kind of accurate in this Call of Duty, no issues. So but there are some issues with the Asphalt 9 game. I'll try to talk about that in another video. So let's begin the game right now. I can feel it's kind of really smooth. So sometimes I feel it's too smooth. So let's see friends what will happen right now. And I'm getting about 60 fps only at the moment, not more than that. So 60 fps only. So not more than that, 60 fps. So you can keep an eye on this top of the notification panel, as you can see. Even while we're using the real-time fps meter, as you can see friends, still I am getting only 60 fps, so not more than that. As you can see friends clearly. So let me try to zoom in exactly to the FPS count, so maybe you might be able to see it properly. So try to focus on the FPS count, so where I can focus on the gameplay. So you can see the FPS count decrease a little bit, 57 sometimes. As you can see friends, the 60 fps still I'm getting. As you can see friends, so 60 fps at the moment. And let me try to go back and stop playing this game and go back and start the battle royale mode as well. So you might be able to see in the battle royale mode how the gameplay is. So whether we will be able to achieve or not. I think at this point 120 fps is kind of not possible, I think, in the IQ7. So usually it should be coming when you're trying to use the medium and the maximum frame rate. This is the combination which I got in other smartphones. So for example, in the Mi11X as well, I did get by using this kind of settings only. But in the IQ7 right now, I was unable to get that kind of settings. So even in the battle royale game, I think you should not be able to support. So you can see, if you can find, let me try to bring close to the FPS count. So 60 FPS, as you can see friends, 60 FPS I was able to get only, not much more than that. I think overall, even in the battle royale mode as well, you'll be able to get only 60 FPS, not more than that. So let me try to use the maybe low settings and try once again. So let's see whether we can achieve any kind of 120 FPS or not. So usually in the multiplayer we should be able to achieve that kind of 120 FPS, but we didn't achieve. As you can see friends, 60 FPS still. So not much change. So let me try to go back. So just show you the landing. Maybe you might be thinking that 120 FPS might activate later, but still it's not. So it's still showing the 61 FPS only, 59 as you can see friends clearly. So overall, I think the phone at the moment is not supported with the 120 FPS. So this video is not for the gameplay and what is FPS. So that's why I'm trying to skip it. But usually I'll try to make another video where I'll try to go through the experience of FPS drop and all those details. So this video mainly focused only on the real-time FPS meter achieving 120 FPS or not. So let's select low and maximum, whether we will be able to achieve or not. So I think let me try it. Maybe let me try to restart the game. So some people, they say even after changing the settings, try to restart. So let me try to restart and be back. So now after the restart, and let me try to go to the settings, and as you can see, low and maximum settings I'm trying to use. Let me quickly go to the multiplayer mode, and the game frame interpolation is still turned on at 120 FPS, as you can see, still turned on, but there is nothing effect at all in terms of the improvement in the frame rates achieving more than 60. So more than 60 I didn't see here. So one positive thing about this one is that the vibrations, so it's really good friends. I can feel really a lot of difference when playing in other smartphones versus this phone particularly, which I particularly like. There could have been some kind of physical buttons or on the top, maybe some kind of touch sensitive which is present in the IQ003, something like that, IQ3. So as you can see, the real-time FPS meter, I was able to get 60 FPS, 60, not more than that. As you can see friends, 60 FPS only at the moment. Not more than that, 60, 59, that's it friends, not much. As you can see friends, 58, 61 FPS only at the moment, not more than that. As you can see, 60 FPS. So let me try to quickly go back. I think at this point we can conclude that the IQ7 phone doesn't support the 120 FPS, even though if you use game frame interpolation, and if you try to use different kind of settings, you cannot achieve the 120 FPS. So that is what the conclusion is in this video. So let me try to go back, and even if you use high quality, I think it should not be possible. So but let me try to even choose the high quality as well next time. So first let me try to see here, and as you can see friends, 60, 58 with 61 FPS I'm getting, that's it, not much. So even in the battle royale you are getting the same kind of results. So I think the 120 FPS is not possible at this point. Let me try to go back and select the maximum graphics and maximum FPS, and just see whether the phone will be able to support that kind of performance or not. Let's see, very high, and everything is set to the high. And let me try to restart the game. So once the game after restarting, let me try to show you the results and very high and max. Let me try to go back and show you the support test 120 fps. As I said, this is not about the gameplay. Right now I'll be focusing only on the 120 fps support, but I'll try to do another video, friends, about the gameplay. If you are interested, do let me know in the comments below. I'll play the game and I'll try to record the screen as well meanwhile to show you the real-time fps statistics. I can even do those, so in case if you're interested for me to do. So right now, let's see, if you're using the high settings, everything is maxed out. So what will be the results? So can you achieve 120 fps or at least 60 fps? So let's see. I think I'm getting about 55, 59, 50, 57. $60 FPS. $60 FPS only at the moment, not more than that. But overall vibrations are really good in this phone, friends. It feels really solid when you're trying to play the game. So overall, I think the FPS count, it's not increasing, 57, and that's it, not much. I think overall, friends, that's it, friends. I think the iQOO 7 phone doesn't support 120 fps at this point of making this video. So that is a quick result that we got in this phone after playing the game for such a long time. So these are the few details, friends, which you need to know. Even if you use the game frame interpolation, so there won't be any change in terms of the gameplay. You'll get solid 60 fps continuously. So at this point, maybe I need to wait for the updates in the future to fix this kind of thing. So make sure to comment below what are your thoughts, whether you will be able to play the game or not. Make sure to comment below what are your things about this phone. And thank you for watching, and see you in the next video, friends. Until then, bye.